Distinguish between distance and placement. Make two column, distance, displacement. Distance. It is length of the path. Length of the path transversed by the object in a certain time. Length of the path traversed by the object in certain time. Displacement, it is distance traveled by the object in a specified direction in a certain time. That is shortest distance between initial and final position.
Sir, can you repeat?
You can see on the screen, I have written here. It is distance traveled by the object in specified direction in certain time. That is shortest distance between initial and final position.
Okay, sir.
This first point written.
Yes, sir.
Second point, right? It is a scalar quantity. HV, how much you got in school exam?
Sir, 50.
50.
Yes.
This is out of
50.
80.
Sir, 50.
Acha, full 50 you got?
Yes.
Great, 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 great. You send your address, I will give surprise, send some surprise gift.
So she said 50 or 43.
50 she said, na? 50 out of 50.
Sir, my marks increased. It
How much?
became 46.
Acha, acha. But 50 out of 50 is tremendous, appreciable, na?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. It is a second point, it is a vector quantity.
Sir,
Yes,
I got 49.
49 is also, yes, respect worthy. Very good. Everybody
I
got.
didn't make that dotted line in virtual image.
Oh, because of that, teacher cancelled one mark.
Yes.
So 48 marks. In my one answer, teacher is also saying your answer is correct, but we have been instructed not to give you marks. Ask Bhavya. She said like that only.
Don't worry. See, 45 and above means you all are equally smart. 1 or 2, 3 marks here and there, it can happen. Right. Third point. Third point on distance side. It is always positive. Second, third point for displacement. It can be positive or negative. Fourth point, it can be greater than or equal to. It can be greater than or equal to the magnitude of displacement. It can be equal to or greater than magnitude of displacement. For displacement, its magnitude can be less or equal to distance, but never greater. than the distance. Fifth point, it may not be 0 even if displacement it may not be 0 even if displacement is 0. It may not be 0 even if displacement is 0. It can be 0 even if displacement is not 0. Even if distance is not 0. Can I clear this part?
Yes.
Speed. See, actually speaking, by speed we can come to know whether body is moving fast or slow, irrespective of direction. So suppose one body covers A to B distance in time 10 seconds, another body covers same distance in time 5 seconds. Whose speed is more?
The 5 second one.
5 second wala. That means we are finding distance covered with respect to time, correct? And then we are able to say fast or slow. So I can say the speed of a body, whenever you are dividing with respect to time, it is called rate. The speed of body is the rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance with time. Right. The speed of body is rate of change of distance with time. It is a scalar quantity. It is generally expressed, or you can say represented, by letter small u or small v. It is generally represented by letter small u or small v. Let a body travels a distance s in time t, then its speed p is v equals to distance upon time. Its SI unit is meter second raised to -1. Its CGS unit is centimeter second raised to minus 1. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Next is uniform speed. Uniform speed. Have you traveled by train or by car or by both?
Yes.
By train, car, they might have traveled. Are they traveling uniformly? No, ना. कभी कभी सिग्नल आएगा तो
No.
No.
तो रुक भी जाते हैं ना. So when I say uniform, uniform means similar, 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 similar. Whenever we say uniform, that means same, 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 same. So if I go from Mulund station to Ghatkopar, I cover 20 kilometer in 30 minutes. Then I go 40 kilometer, I cover in 30 minutes. Is it uniform or non-uniform? Is this uniform?
Non-uniform.
Non-uniform because distance is different even though time is same. So when I say uniform means if time is same, distance covered should be same to same. Then we say it is uniform speed. If I give you 10 mark ka paper, 10 mark ka paper, 10 mark ka paper, every time a child gets full 10 out of 10, can I say he is uniform?
Yes.
Only in final he gets full, other time he gets 5, he is good. So I cannot say he is uniform. So I will predict that exam aaya to bahut padta hai, but not uniform. So when I say uniform, that means same distance in same interval of time. So uniform speed, right definition.
Sir,
Yes.
if one travels 30 kilometer in 1 hour and 60 kilometer in 2 hours, then can we say it's uniform?
30 kilometer in 10 hour and 20 kilometer in.
I told 30 kilometer in 1 hour and 60 kilometer in 2 hours, like that.
Okay, 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 okay. What you said, that means he is covering 30 in 1. Hello?
Yes.
We can say uniform only if even for small period of time, he covers same distance. Like somebody goes from 30 kilometer, you cannot predict. You have to check whether he was traveling equal distance in equal interval of time. It may or may not be, not guaranteed. Because when I divide his distances 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 6 times, all 10 should have been covered in same time. Then we say uniform. So to be more precise, even for chota wala part is covering same distance for same time, then it is uniform. So when 30 in 1, 60 in 2, it may or may not be uniform because बीच वाला रास्ते के बारे में आपने बताया नहीं. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
So generally, when we say uniform, what does it mean? Smaller part ka distance it is covering same in same interval of time. But when you say double, there is no guarantee whether he was uniform or non-uniform. So we can say may or may not be for that. Uniform speed, right? A body is said to be moving with uniform speed if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time throughout the motion. So when you said 60, there was no guarantee throughout the motion it was covering same distance. Therefore, it may or may not. Example write down. Ball moving on a frictionless plane surface. Ball moving on frictionless plane surface. One more example we can try. Second, uniform circular motion has same speed throughout. Next, non-uniform or variable speed. Non-uniform or variable speed. Now, slightly change here. If a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called non-uniform or variable speed. The body covers equal distance in unequal time, then it is called non-uniform or variable speed. Heading written, non-uniform or variable speed. Yes, can I clear the screen? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done, done, done.
Non-uniform or variable speed, a body is said to be moving with non-uniform or variable speed if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Example, we can say motion of car on a crowded street. Train approaching or leaving station. Third point. A ball moving on rough surface. Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instantaneous speed. See, you might have seen many bike wallas are standing near the signal. As soon as signal becomes green, they pick up speed and move fast. So that time when they made their speed maximum, that is called instantaneous speed. That means in very small time, their speed increases. Hello?
Yes.
That speed is
Can
called,
you repeat that, sir?
I said, suppose a person is driving a bike, signal pe he is waiting. Signal becomes green, he picks up and moves very fast. Na?
Yes.
So at that instant, he increases the speed. Then afterwards, it may be constant. But when he was at rest, zero, suddenly speed pakad ke aage nikal gaya. So there is one device called speedometer. Can you tell it records which type of speed? Average speed or speed at that instant? What it records? Speed at that instant or speed after 2 minutes, in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, what it is?
Speed at that second?
That means it is called instantaneous speed. So speedometer records what? Instantaneous. At that instant what? When I say, come on, tell the answer. So at that instant you have to answer. So by telling this, I took some 0.1 second or something. So my time was very small and then you responded. That is called instantaneous. I cannot say time is zero, but I can say definitely my time is very small, which is close to zero. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say instantaneous speed is the distance covered in very, very short time?
Yes.
Okay, right. The ratio of distance traveled in very short time interval. Ratio of distance traveled in very short time interval to ratio of distance traveled in very short time interval to the time interval is called as instantaneous speed. Written? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, instantaneous speed is equals to distance covered in very short time upon time interval. The speedometer of vehicles measures instantaneous speed. Yes, completed.
Sir, speedometer is accurate.
Speedometer means the device which is connected in our bikes, motor cars. Yes,
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 but it
accurate.
gives accurate result, no?
Yes, yes, it gives accurate result. If it is faulty, it will not give accurate. It works actually on the principle of electricity, not on that motion.
Yes, sir. That was only my doubt. How does it sense the amount of motion?
No, no, there is magnet. Based on that, there is electromagnetic induction. So there is one principle called eddy current, which you are going to study afterwards. So when it rotates, that magnet develops current. Current is used to deflect, and that deflection is converted into deflection of needle.
Okay, sir.
That is used in device called eddy current.
If the speedometer of a car is taken and fitted into a bike, so it won't work perfectly, sir, because the amount of charge in both of them is different. So the calibration also will be different.
See, this calibration is different concept, na? But if it is manufactured properly, then it will give same amount of. See, every device has to be first calibrated, and after that is done, then they fit, na?
Yes, sir. I am asking, for example, this is a car and this is a bike.
Uh,
The speedometer which it has, I am taking it out
hmm,
and inserting into this bike.
hmm.
But both have different calibrations, so this won't give accurate result in the bike, no sir.
No, 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 no. Wait, wait, 1 minute. 1 minute, wait. If I remove this speedometer, I said speedometer works on principle of what? Electromagnetic
Magnetic
induction.
deflection.
Induction it is.
Induction.
So it has got actually magnet, and on this is connected with a rod और ऊपर coil रहता है. So if you have in bike or you have in car, if the rotation is same, then it will give you same. Only the thing, one will be deflecting fast, तो उसका कैलिब्रेशन चेंज करना पड़ेगा. 0 से वो 5 ज्यादा डिफ्लेक्शन दिखा सकता है, ज्यादा करंट पास होएगा ना उसमें, तो कैलिब्रेशन दे हैव टू चेंज इट.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Right, average speed. After this definition, we are doing numerical. Average speed. You write first unit test, then you write first term exam, second unit test. In final, teacher gives like this: a plus b plus c upon 3. What is this a plus b plus c upon 3? Average.
Average.
Average. So
Arithmetic.
sometimes if first test, second test you are not performing, third test you are getting full mark, then also you will not be getting full, because in average it becomes less. So that's why they say you have to get mark in every test. So average means total of all divided by that number. So the ratio of the total distance covered by the body, the ratio of total distance covered by the body to the total time taken is called as average speed. Right. Average speed is total distance covered by the body to the total time taken. Therefore, average speed equals to total distance upon total time. If body is moving uniformly, then average speed and instantaneous speed are same.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now I'm doing numericals from your textbook. So if you have textbook, please keep it open. First numerical. The speed of car is 72. Express it in meter per second. Speed equal to 72 kilometer per hour. We have to convert in meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 into 5, 2 into 18.
Sir, 18 ones are and 18 fours are.
So this will become 20 meter per second. You can also by heart this. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Then directly you can write 72 kilometer per hour is 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second, or convert this way. Second sum. First one over. Now 15
Yes.
meter. Yeah, 15.
Sir,
Yes.
so converting meter per second into kilometer per hour, we have to multiply it by 18 by 5, right?
Yes, yes. Correct, correct. In case we don't remember this conversion factor, then 15 meter is 15 divided by 1000 will become in kilometer. Correct, no? Hello?
Yes.
And 1 second is 1 upon 3600 in hours. So see, same thing we are getting. Two zeros cancel. 18. This is 2 into 5. So we'll get 15 into 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. 5 into 3 is 15. So it is 54 kilometer per hour. So either you remember direct or remember meter to kilometer divide. Second to hour is also divide. Next Monday there will be 20 minutes test and then lecture on the topic whatever we have completed in chapter number 2.
And today only till numericals, no, or something else also we'll do.
No, now we'll do around 5, 8, 7, 8 numericals first.
Afterwards nothing, no.
No, after, because if time is not there, no. Second completed. Can I come to third? Yes, done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Once you complete, tell so that I can do fast. Next. Express each of the following in meter per second. First one, 1 kilometer per hour. This is 1 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So it is equals to 0. It will become 50 when you take 0. 18 into 2 is 36. 50 minus 36 will become 14. So 140. 18 into 7 becomes 126.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, if we leave it like 5 upon 18, then it's
No, no,
okay.
no, 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 no. It's not okay. You have to convert till decimal. This again 14 will be remainder. So 7 will be recurring. So we can round off as 78 meter per second. B is 18 kilometer minute raised to minus 1. So 18 into 1000 meter. 1 minute is 60 second. So we get 10 cancel. 2 into 3, 2 into 9. So it is 900 upon 3. That is equals to 300 meter per second. Sorry.
Sir, done.
Okay. Fourth one. Arrange the following speeds in increasing order: 10 meter per second, 1 kilometer per minute, 18 kilometer per hour. To arrange in increasing order, decreasing order, first unit must be same. So I'm converting all in meter per second. 10 meter per second is 10 meter per second. 1 kilometer minute raised to minus 1 is 1 into 1000 meter per minute is 60 second. That will become, and 2 3s are 6, 50 by 3, 13 3s are 15 by 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, remainder 2, 16.666 recurring. So I can say 16.67 meter per second. 18 kilometer per hour is 18 into 5 upon 18, which is 5 meter per second. Who is the smallest one then?
5.
5. So 5 meter per second is less than 10 meter per second, and 10 is less than 16 meter per second. So therefore in increasing order R, so I can say therefore in increasing order we have first 5, that means 5 we got with 18 kilometer per hour, comma, then we got 10 meter per second, comma, last wala 1 kilometer per minute. Copy.
Sudden.
हाँ क्या सेम आईपी से मैंने फॉर्म भरा, कितना टाइम लगेगा? 10 मिनट रुको, देता हूँ अभी, जरूरत नहीं है, हो जाएगा नहीं, लेकिन मेरा 6:30 से फिर कंटिन्यू है 10 साढ़े 10 तक। ठीक है, अभी जल्दी हो जाएगा तो हाँ, तो 6 5 6 घंटा हो जाएगा। ओके, हेलो, क्या कंप्लीटेड ना? नेक्स्ट वन, a train takes 3 hours to travel from Agra to Delhi with a speed of 65 km per hour. Find the distance between two cities. Time is 3 hours. Speed is 65 km per hour. Distance we have to calculate. Speed is distance upon time. So V equals to distance upon time. Distance is speed into time. 65 into 3. Both the units are same. 3 5s are 15, 195 kilometer. Right. 195 kilometer.
Yes, and done.
One last sum we are doing, very important, frequently asked in the exam. Sixth one. Very important one. A car travels first 30 kilometer with speed of 60 kilometer per hour, and then next 30 kilometer with speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Total time of journey we want, and average speed of car. So we can say total time t is t1 plus t2. t1 plus t2 is nothing but first distance upon first speed. t2 is second distance upon second speed. By using that formula, speed is distance upon time. So distance is 30, speed is 60. Distance is 30, speed is 40. This is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So this LCM is 4. 2 plus, this you follow na, 2 and 4 LCM 4. So it is 5 by 4 hours, which is nothing but 5 by 4 into 60 minute. 5 into 4 into 15, 75 minute. This is total time. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can leave 5 by 4 1.25 hour also. Then average speed we want. First complete till this, then average speed I am doing.
Sir, done.
Full done na, till 75 minutes. I'm clearing that full then. Now average speed. Hetvi, you have to take your dinner.
No, sir, done.
अच्छा, ये लास्ट हाँ, लास्ट. नेक्स्ट टाइम से थोड़ा जल्दी स्टार्ट करूंगा लेक्चर. टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम. Total distance is how many kilometer? 30 plus 30. And total time is how many hour? 5 by 4? Correct?
Yes.
So 60 into 4 upon 5. 5 into 12. So this becomes 48 kilometer per hour. Complete till this.
Sir, done.
So that's all for today. Next class will complete full part 2A with definition and numericals.